कि हम भी मदीने की ओर चले। तो इसके बाद मैं यहाँ पर दावत दूंगा स्पीच के लिए। एक स्टूडेंट है हमारा मोहम्मद शफीक, क्लास 10th बॉयज हाई स्कूल जुमागढ़।
रहीम। मिटा दे अपनी हस्ती को अगर कुछ मर्तबा चाहिए, मिटा दे अपनी हस्ती को अगर कुछ मर्तबा चाहिए, कि दोनों हौक में मिलकर गुले गुलजार होता है। Respected chief guests, dignitaries on the podium, dear teachers, students and my fellow citizens, a very happy Independence Day to you all. Today, as we proudly celebrate 78th year of India's independence, our hearts swell with patriotism and gratitude. This day reminds us of the countless sacrifices made by our freedom fighters who dreamed of a free and just equal India for all. But as I stand here today, speaking on the occasion from BHS Jumagung, a small forgotten frontier village on the border of Kupara, I cannot help but reflect with pain and concern. Even after nearly 8 decades of freedom, our area remains in the shadow of underdevelopment. Roads here are either broken or no. Electricity is nowhere. Transport remains a daily challenge, and basic health care or educational infrastructure is very poor. We walk miles to study, for our sick pray in the absence of medical help, and our youth brides and full of potential struggles with isolation and unemployment. What hurts most is not just the lack of facilities, but the indifference. It's that a freedom stopped at the last checkpoint, and we, the people of Jumagun, are still waiting for the fruits of independence. But in our darkest hours, when roads were cut off, or calamity struck, or terror knocked, one force never left us behind: the Indian Army. They did not just protect our borders, they protect our lives, our hope, our dignity. Whether it was providing ration in winter, medical aid in emergency, or even teaching our children which no one would help, they stood with us like a true saviors. We salute this courage, compassion, and commitment. Today, I make a heartfelt appeal to those in power. Do not let this part of India remain unseen and unheard. We deserve roads, but as our right as citizens of independent India, let Jumagun not remain a place only for conflict and cold, but for resilience, progress. On this Independence Day, let's not only raise the flag, but also raise our collective voice for justice, development, and dignity for every Indian from the heart of Delhi to the border of Jumagun. Thank you.
Really, it was an emotional speech from the heart of a student. This was not only the student, this is the speech from the heart of every citizen of Jumagan who cries for the basic amenities which they have been deprived from ages together. But, and this is encouraging that in this, even then, the boy encouraged the efforts made by the Indian Army in the darkest hours. Really the efforts made by in the frontier areas are always appreciated. हमेशा बॉर्डर लोगों की यही होती है कि बॉर्डर लोगों की जिंदगी तभी है जब इंडियन आर्मी है, क्योंकि मुश्किलात के सामने कोई इनका मसीहा नहीं बनता है। ओनली द सेवियर इज इंडियन आर्मी। हम भी इनकी इस डेडिकेशन और कंपैशन को सल्यूट करते हैं। थैंक यू। उसके बाद